So in this question it is given that two solid spherical planet of equal radii are having masses 4m and m. So we can consider that there is a planet over here and there is another planet over here of equal radii. So radius of this one we can take it as r. Radius of this one also can be taken as something but r. Having masses, mass of one is something but 4m and another is nothing but 9m. And have their centers separated by a distance of 6r. The distance between their center is given as nothing but 6r. A projectile of mass m sent from the planet of mass 4m towards a heavier planet, means towards 9m. What is distance r of the point from the heavier planet where the gravitational force on projectile is 0? So our aim is to find out a point where the net gravitational force on this projectile is equal to 0. So that means the force exerted by 4m on this one, let's say that is F, should be equal to force exerted by 8m on this, let's say that is also equal to F. So we can write the equation for it, that is this net force becomes equal to 0 when this force is, let's say first one is F1, is equal to that of F2. So our aim is to find out what about this distance. And in question they are asking to find out the distance from lighter planet. So let's say this point M is at a distance x from the lighter planet or from 4m, center of 4m, where the net gravitational force is equal to 0. So we can use a concept of null point or the point where the value of F1 is equal to F2. F1 we can take it as g into m is nothing but 4m into the mass of another one we can take it as small m divided by distance is x square, that should be equal to F2, which we can take it as gm into g into 9m into m divided by this distance. The total distance is given as nothing but 6r. So this distance can be written as 6r minus x. So this we'll write it as 6r minus x the whole square. So we can cancel these things, m and this m, this capital letter m and this capital letter m, this g over here and this g over here. Now our equation becomes 4x square, 4 by x square is equal to 9 divided by 6r minus x the whole square. And over here sometimes students will make a mistake, they will try to square this one. So don't do it, just take a root on both the sides. If you are squaring this one, this equation is going to be a quadratic equation. We don't want a quadratic equation, we would like to convert it into a linear equation. So just take a square on both the sides. So square of 4 is nothing but 2, x square is nothing but x, 9 is nothing but 3, and 6r minus x is nothing but 6r minus x. So we can just cross multiply this one. So this is 2 into 6r minus x is going to be nothing but 3x. So we can write this as 12r minus 2x is going to be nothing but 3x, or you can write 12r is equal to nothing but 5x, or you can write the value of x is equal to 12r divided by 5, which is equal to nothing but 2.4r.